Trucks are evolving rapidly. Advances in technology affect every aspect of the truck service process, from diagnostics and repair to labor estimates and shop productivity. You need the latest repair information to service today's commercial trucks so you can get them back on the road faster and drive more revenue for your business. Enter Mitchell 1 TruckSeries, a comprehensive web-based source of truck repair information for Class 4 to 8 trucks. It's the go-to source for truck repair information, servicing all makes of medium and heavy-duty trucks. What's more, TruckSeries integrates with Mitchell 1's Manager SE software, an industry-leading shop management system. The software generates estimates, invoices, and over 150 business reports. We've got the truck service process covered, from the back office to the base. No more scouring manufacturer websites searching for proper truck service repair information. TruckSeries brings everything into one place. You can go from trouble code to diagnostics in seconds and dive right into the repair. To begin, simply select a vehicle by plate number, VIN, or by make and model. Its advanced search technology, OneSearch Plus, returns specific information you need on a user-friendly dashboard. Here, you'll find specific repair details, testing steps, wiring diagrams, connector views, and component locations displayed in a clear diagnostic sequence. Dealing with a tricky electrical issue? Mitchell 1's interactive wiring diagrams will help you pinpoint the source with ease. We're talking simplified navigation within a diagram that displays the locations of connectors, grounds, and splices. And when you click on a component name, you'll get direct access to specs, testing, location, and more. Want to harness the power of Vehicle Maintenance Reporting Standards, or VMRS? TruckSeries has your back. The VMRS coding system is the universal language developed by the ATA's Technology and Maintenance Council for fleet maintenance tracking and reporting. In TruckSeries, the VMRS codes are automatically displayed within the Quotes module for work in progress and labor estimates. Need even more service information from the Technology and Maintenance Council? TruckSeries delivers more than 500 TMC recommended practices at your fingertips. Still not enough? Mitchell 1 didn't think so either. That's why TruckSeries now has a new feature that helps you find and identify ABS, engine, and transmission tags on trucks undergoing service. This ensures that the correct service information is applied and the right parts are ordered. Let's dive into Mitchell 1's Manager SE Truck Edition. This shop management software gives you full visibility into all aspects of your business. You can easily manage all the details for existing customers, their vehicle and repair history, plus inventory functions with just a click of a button. TruckSeries also delivers time-tested labor information so you can build fast and accurate estimates. What else do you need? ADAS service information? TruckSeries has you covered. Advanced service scheduling and appointment editor? TruckSeries has it. And when you need repair information on increasingly autonomous and electrified powertrains, TruckSeries will have it. At Mitchell 1, we're not just meeting truck service standards, we're setting them.